Hello YouTube, I have an unboxing for you from HK Now store. It says Smithers gear shift black and then zhanchi black. Here's my zhanchi DIY. And here's my gear shift. And a card. Here's my gear shift. Wow. Oh. I don't want to scramble it yet. And here's my zhanchi. And I'll get back to you. So yeah, I had these two cubes or puzzles for about 2 hours now. And this one is that I'm most excited about. And it turns very smooth. Very smooth. And it's quite hard to handle because it goes so crazy. And I saw Red Kiwi's tutorial on how to solve it. You see how smooth it is. So yeah. And here's my zhanchi. I put it together and lubed a little bit. I don't have that greatest lube. CRC silicone spray. And yeah, I really like this cube. I don't have put the Diane sticker yet. I have it here. The other one I put on my Guhang. And this come with the zhanchi, a Diane card and some stickers. And I got these two colors too. That's cool. So yeah, I think I will order from HK Now store more times, because that's a great store with great products. And yeah, the shipping wasn't too bad. It was about 3 weeks or so. I've ordered my Guhang from Lightake, and that was about 5 weeks or something. That was real bad. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.